Hello students, good morning. Once again you are most welcome in our online classes. So now we are going to start this chapter again. Madam Rides the Bus by Valli Kannu. I have already described this story in front of you, but as a reminder, I want to explain again in front of you this story. So come and start. The author of this chapter is Valli Kannan, a 8-year-old girl. His name is Valliamma. In short, we called her Valli. In this story, Valli was an 8-year-old girl who was curious about things. His favorite pastime was standing in front of the doorway of her house. She had no playmates in the street to play. For passing her time, she stands on the in front door of her house and sees the passengers outgoing there or incoming. So he has a curious to go in the city and wanted to ride in a bus first time. ठीक है? Now the bus that traveled between her village and nearest town was most surprising things for her. Means जब भी वो आती जाती बसों को देखती थी तो उसको बड़ा ही आश्चर्य होता था, उसको बहुत अच्छा लगता था. तो इस प्रकार से first she got information about the bus journey by listening the conversation by talking some discreet questions. First of all, he want to know what is the fare of the bus to go town and come back. When she had discovered that only 30 paise is the fare of the bus, she was ready and she collected to start fare money. In his village fare, she didn't spend any money. While the time came to go the town, she was ready, and one day she knows that her mother after lunch 1 to 4 is the free time to move in the city or go by the bus. The final day came when she started his journey to the town. One day, when her mother was sleeping, she went out from the house and she picked up a hand to ride in a bus. When the conductor gave his hand to help her, she neglected it and said, "I can get on the bus by herself." मीन्स जब भी कंडक्टर ने उसको यानी कि पहली बार जब वो बस में चढ़ रही थी तो कंडक्टर ने देखा कि ये छोटी सी लड़की है, इसको मैं अपनी सहायता से बस में चढ़ा देता हूँ. लेकिन जैसे ही कंडक्टर ने हाथ आगे की तरफ किया तो उस लड़की ने बिल्कुल मना कर दिया कि मैं बिना तुम्हारी सहायता के क्या कर सकती हूँ, बस में चढ़ सकती हूँ. ठीक है ना? तो इस प्रकार से when the bus started for the town, in the way she stand on her seat and she peeped out of the bus and saw the trees, the cannon, the green grass landed and so many things. She was very pleasant to see these scenes. While she was looking out of the bus, an old woman said to her, "Dear child, don't peep out of the bus. May sit on your seat." Then the child सभी यात्रियों की तरह अपनी यात्रा के 30 पैसे दिए हैं। Listening this, the conductor laughed. He said that she was not a child, she is a madam. No child could pay and travel on her own. An elderly woman saw his surprise and asked if she was not cared for traveling all alone. Means जो वृद्ध महिला थी उसने कहा कि बच्चे को इस प्रकार से, यानी कि जो अकेला बच्चा होता है उसको इस प्रकार से यात्रा नहीं करनी चाहिए। She clapped with hands and laughed bitterly when she saw a cow with an upright tail and running in the middle of the road in front of the bus. यानी कि बस के सामने जब उसने एक गाय को पूंछ उठाते हुए ठीक बस के सामने देखा तो उसको देख करके बड़ी हंसी आई उसको। The bothering about the honking of the bus, यानी कि उसने बस के हॉर्न की बिल्कुल भी कोई परवाह नहीं की। She was also wonderstruck to see bright looking shops with glittering clothes and big crowd in the market. यानी कि बस जब मार्केट में पहुंचती है तो बस की भीड़ को देख, बाजार की भीड़ को देख करके, दुकानों पर जो कपड़े सज रहे थे चमकीले उनको देख करके उसके आश्चर्य का कोई ठिकाना नहीं रहता है। At last the bus reached the town. Everyone get down except Valli. यानी कि जब बस टाउन पहुंच जाती है तो वल्ली के सिवाय सभी पैसेंजर्स उतर जाते हैं। She told the conductor that would go back her village in the same bus, bought another ticket for 30 पैसे। यानी कि उसने कहा कि मैं इसी बस के द्वारा अपने गांव वापस जाना चाहती हूँ, इसलिए ये 30 पैसे लो और मुझे वापस की टिकट दो। The conductor asked her to get down and look around till the bus started, but she was scared. Means कंडक्टर ने कहा कि जब तक ये बस वापस जाती है तब तक आप इस टाउन में इधर उधर घूम लो। Again she looked excitedly at the outside the scene, journey back to the village, but alas, यानी कि जब वो वापस आ रही थी उसी बस के द्वारा तो उसने उस दृश्यों को देख करके बहुत प्रसन्न थी, लेकिन एक जगह पर क्या होता है उसको बहुत ज्यादा अलास यानी कि दुख होता है। कैसे दुख होता है देखिए। She saw dead cow on the road, eyes wide open and blood round it. It was the same cow that had amused her so much her journey to town, but there it lay dead. यानी कि उसने ऐसी ही सेम गाय को जो गांव से बाजार की तरफ जाते हुए जो गाय अपनी पूंछ उठा करके बस के सामने भागती आ रही थी, सेम ऐसी ही गाय उसको रोड के किनारे पर मरी हुई मिलती है तो उसको देख करके उसको बड़ा झटका लगता है। A fast moving vehicle must have hit her, यानी कि उसने सोचा कि कोई तेज गति से जो वाहन आया हुआ हो सकता है कि उसने उस गाय को क्षति पहुंचाई हो। She became sad. She lost interest outside the world and sat glued in her seat till she reached her village. उसके बाद बाहरी संसार से उसका जो इंटरेस्ट था वो खत्म हो गया और वह चुपचाप से नाराज होकर के अपनी सीट पर बैठ जाती है। When Valli entered the house, she saw her mother awake and talking to one of her aunts who was really a chatterbox. Chatterbox का मतलब होता है बातून। देखिए यहाँ लिखा हुआ है one who talks a lot. Chatterbox उसको बोलते हैं जो ज्यादा से ज्यादा बातें करती है। They casually asked Valli where she had been. Valli smiled and went in. Nobody knows that she had a bus ride all alone. यानी कि किसी को भी उसने ये पता नहीं चलने दिया कि वह अकेली बस के द्वारा यात्रा करके आई है। Now the summary of this chapter has completed. I will take your online class at 10:20 to 10:50. If you have any problem, you can query me. And this chapter has completely finished now. Thank you. Have a nice day.